MOVA P10 Pro Ultra review. Cleaner floors and less dock work than most robot vacuums. Are you tired of a robot vacuum that still leaves you doing the dirty work? I watched someone wipe muddy paw prints after a full cleaning cycle, then empty a dusty bin by hand anyway. That little moment says everything. If your floors never quite feel finished, you are not imagining it. Ever had your robot clean, yet somehow create more chores? The annoying part is not one missed crumb. It is the buildup of tension, damp mop smell, scattered pet hair, and the quiet sense that your smart cleaner still needs babysitting. I know a family who stopped scheduling theirs daily because the dock maintenance became another task. Not ideal. After enough of that, you start hoping there has to be a cleaner, calmer system. Then everything changed when I found MOVA P10 Pro Ultra. Don't just pick any robot vacuum and mop. Make sure it has hot water mop washing so you never waste time on smelly pads and half-clean floors again. On the first real run, the difference felt practical, not flashy. The dual spinning mop pads scrub instead of just dragging moisture around, and the edge-extending design reaches closer to baseboards where grime loves to hide. Strong suction handles dust and pet hair, while LiDAR mapping keeps movement efficient and less chaotic. The smart dirt detection is what really impressed me, because it can trigger remopping when a mess actually needs another pass. Let me be honest, that is the kind of detail that makes the whole system feel more grown up. A busy pet owner I know was seconds from greeting guests with muddy kitchen tracks, started a room clean from the app, and the robot handled the mess, while the dock later washed and dried the pads automatically. Even the pet video call feature ends up being more useful than expected. If that sounds good, the long-term story is even better. A few weeks in, the real upgrade is mental space. You save time because the dock auto-empties dust, refills clean water, drains dirty water, washes the pads with hot water, and dries them with hot air. So daily cleaning stops feeling like a chain of follow-up tasks. One hands-on review found it captured about 91% of a spilled mess on hard floors, which matches the strong everyday pickup people keep mentioning. I also saw reviewers praise the hot water wash cycle and self-cleaning basin because the mop pads stay fresher instead of turning sour after repeated runs. An influencer-style setup test described mapping as quick and room labeling as easy, while regular users kept saying the same thing in simpler words. It is thorough, convenient, and far less fussy than older robots. The fair objection is the dock size and a few app quirks. That is real. But if you want hands-free cleaning with proper water management, a larger dock is part of what makes this level of automation possible, and most setup tweaks happen once. Small quiz. Would you rather empty bins every day or refill water occasionally? Either way, this starts to feel like a long-term helper, not just a gadget, and that is why it earns a closer look. If you want cleaner floors with less fuss, this is an easy robot vacuum to shortlist. MOVA P10 Pro Ultra gives you a calmer routine, faster upkeep, sharper edge cleaning, and more control over messy daily life. Results may vary, of course, but plenty of busy households and pet owners already rely on systems like this every day. If you want to see the latest details, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and explore whether MOVA P10 Pro Ultra feels right for your home today. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.